Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to power stance in Elden Ring. So, power stance, you need weapons the same category. For us, we'll be using two colossal weapons, Gold Rotten Great Axe and the Giant Crusher. So, as you can see, I don't have a stats for Giant Crusher, but still, I can use it. Power stance or dual wielding, if you are here from Dark Souls 2. So, everything you need is just to equip two weapons of the same type, like two axes or two katanas. Real quick, here two katanas and power stancing. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you later. Bye.